Welcome everybody. In this video you will know how to use Ionic grid system. So let's import our components. An Ion grid system consists of three main components, which are Ion grid, Ion row, and finally Ion column. So let's register our components here, and we will use them inside Ion content. So we wrap our grid in Ion grid component. Now we need a row to hold our components, so let's type Ion row. Let's put three Ion column components and put inside column, and now we see them right here. Let's put a style for columns and specify background color, and triple E is the background color we will use. So here we will see them better. Now for Ion color we have multiple attributes to use. So first, about the size, we have 6 size to specify how many columns for each column we want to use. So we have for each screen size large, size medium, size small, size X large, and X small. So let's try the size to make it 2. So it will be smaller right here, and the others will expand. So we can use size medium to make it 6. And now if we go to a medium screen size like the tablet, now it will be 6 and the others will take the rest. Let's go to back our device, and there is another thing which is offset, which means we grab our column to how many columns we can grab our column. So let's try to understand better. Let's grab this component offset 2, and what is this error? We should put the offset under here. And now the second one comes here. Instead of just expanding like normal, it will be grabbed 2 columns from its actual place. And for the offset only, also we can use the rest of the screen sizes. So let's try offset medium and to grab it to 0 columns. So instead typing 0, we just don't specify value. And now let's make it as tablet, so no offset is working. The grid system have some CSS classes to use. We can justify center to the end, the start, etc., and the same for aligning. So let's type ion justify content center, and now it should be centered, but we will not see the effect because we have the sizes for the full screen. So let's move the sizes and the offset. And it's not why we don't see the effect, because I spelled it wrong here. Justify content center, and now it should be centered when we set the columns, for example this size to 2, and for the other columns, and now they will be centered like this. Also we can use start, for example, so they will be at the beginning of the row. Also we have the align, so let's align them. Ion align align items to the center. Now we won't see the effect because the row doesn't have a big height, so let's specify a height for it and give it a height for 80 viewport height or VH. And now we will see it aligned to the center like this. So also we can use on the column classes like class, ion, align. So here we will align this align itself. So ion align self, not items, to the start. So the first one will be aligned to the start like this. So that's it for this video, and now you should be able to use the Ionic grid system.